Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, yusikumullahu fi awladikum lidh-dhakari mithlu hazzil unthayayn, فإن كن نساء فوق اثنتين فلهن ثلث ما ترك. Translation: Allah instructs you concerning your children. The male son has a portion equal to portion of two female daughters. If they are only daughters, two or more, their share is 2/3 of inheritance. But if there is only one daughter, then her share is a half. In previous ayahs, we studied the importance of distributing the inheritance justly and timely, and also we studied about the importance of keeping the wealth of the orphans safe and distributing it justly. Today we are starting a ruku on the inheritance, on the law of inheritance, and books are written on this ruku. There are some more commandments will come in the end of Surah An-Nisa, but this is the height of the eloquence of the language that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used, that in only one ruku almost the complete law of inheritance is described, and no one has the right to change this law of inheritance. No government or even a person who is leaving the wealth cannot change the law of inheritance. This is a detailed topic, and we are using the tafsir of Muhammad Ashiq Ilahi Mahajir Rahmatullah Alayhi, and the complete discussion on this topic is not possible in this brief tafsir. Today we studied a part of first ayah of this ruku, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that, for example, if someone has only children, no parents or no wife or husband, then one son will get about twice what the daughter will get. So if someone has one son and two daughters, the wealth should be distributed in 4 parts, and 2 parts should be given to the son and 1 part should be given to each daughter. If a person who is dying has parents, or they have a wife or a living husband, then the distribution of the wealth will be according to the above law, but the share of the parents and the spouse will be given, and whatever is left will be distributed according to the principle that is described above. And if the person who is dying only has girls and no son, then if there is only one daughter, she will get the half of the wealth, and the half of the wealth will be distributed according to the other laws of inheritance that inshallah we will study. If the person who has died has 2 or more daughters and does not have any son, and for example, if he has 2 daughters, the daughters will get 2/3 of the share of the wealth, meaning that both the daughters will get 1/3 of the wealth, and whatever is left will be given to the other heirs of the family that we will inshallah study in the next ayahs. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran and help us understand the laws of Sharia. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.